Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel TECHZONE.
Bomb damage 132, bullet speed 945/s, time between shots 1.85 second, firing mode single, impact 4000, magazine 5 rounds, extended magazine 7 rounds, pickup delay 150 millisecond, ready delay 500. The AWM is a powerful bolt-action rifle designed for extreme range sharpshooting. It is capable of killing any player in one shot to the head, even if the victim is wearing a Spetsnaz helmet. At distances beyond 500 meters, it becomes the only gun in the game that can kill players in one shot to the head.
Please subscribe TECHZONE to get new notification. Thanks from all my side.